What's up, guys? I know I haven't made a tactical assault VR video yet. Just saying, I'm gonna be calling it Tavar because I don't want to say all that. But today they brought in shotguns, and like probably haven't told you any of this, but me and my friend him are so hyped about shotguns and them bringing it into the game. And now I'm gonna be looking over every single one in room randomizer and real lobbies. So let's just start off with this. I'm gonna be using no attachments for all of them, just to make it like fair. And I'm also gonna have this on because yeah. Oh my lordy lord, look at this thing. Oh wait, you can't eat. Oh no, it's bottom fed, I think, right? Okay. Excuse me about those shenanigans I just committed. Do I need to? Oh my gosh, bro, I'm gonna actually crash out. No, bro. Oh shoot. I didn't know it was already loaded. Oh, I just need to rack it. Whoopsie daisies. Alright, well, I'm gonna be going into. Did it? Oh my gosh, messing up everything today. I'm going into room randomizer and popping some things. I already went in with one shotgun because I was super hyped and I forgot to make a video. But that was only one shotgun. I didn't test out this one or any of the other ones besides that one. And now I need to randomize rooms. Let's hope I don't die. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna snake cam every door only because I'm scared. Yeah. Okay. This one should be open. Okay. I see one. As soon as I open the door, I'm popping him. Oh wow, that looked a lot closer to me. He looked a lot closer to me. Okay. What? I'm already not really liking this one. Let me look up. Wait, can we shoot through the door? I wish you could shoot through doors and walls. Snake cam, boy. Okay. Yeah, and the ratings will be in the description. So if you just want to see all this gameplay, which you probably shouldn't, because you know it's fun. Give me my. Oh, I thought you were using it. Okay. I'm gonna put these two in there. Oh no, I don't want to wreck it. Someone's behind that door. Oh wow, there's two in there. Oh no, I think I just racked out live. Boom! Sorry, but I don't have to use my. Oh my gosh. I got scared. Oh no, I keep racking out lives, I think. No wasting ammo. Okay. Let's keep it moving. It's already not looking good for this shotgun, or I just suck. But I'm going with my play style, which is guns a-blazing. But also kind of stealthy because I'm doing this. Okay. He's right there, I think. Y'all hear that? Hold up. It was like it's saying what? What the heck? Oh my. Okay. Oh. Oh yeah, just saying. I forgot to mention, if I die, that's the end of the round for the shotgun. Alright. Well, I'll be rating this shotgun a 5.5 out of 10. It was okay. It's just, it didn't really get the job done fully. Alright, now we're going with this one. Oh, you're just saying the one I used already was this one, so I'm gonna go over it again anyways. Alright, so we got this thing. I think it's already loaded. Oh my, I didn't mean to cock it back all the way. Oh my. Stop that. Oh, what, 3? Okay. I have higher hopes for this one. So, randomize rooms and run grading enemies. Okay, let's move it. I like to move it. Get 2. What? I'm scared. I might just frag it. Yep, I'm fragging it. Okay. Well, that definitely got the job done. Alright, well, and now we need to actually use the shotgun. I only did that because there was 2 people in the same room and I'm scared. Oh, wow, I was not expecting the shotgun to be that loud. Okay, I didn't fully check that corner. Okay. Okay, just making sure. I feel like somebody's over there. Ooh, okay. I should shoot the lock. Oh wow, I barely nicked him with it. Knew it. I knew it. I just knew it. I got scared. Pop these 2. Okay. I'm not gonna snake him this one. Oh my gosh. Hold up. Wait, can you drag them? I feel like you could drag them once. Anyways, that was powerful. That was a powerful shotgun. That is a powerful shotgun. Ooh. There we go. Okay. Wait, I just want to run through it one more time because I feel like I missed a room or 2. Okay, I'm gonna run back through real quick. Speedy. Oh yeah, I did. No, I didn't. Oh, I missed this room, but nobody was in it. Oh wow, I just put that way too close to my face. Oh, what the? Oh wow, that's bright. Shotgun with flashlight on. I blind them. Alright, I'll rate this shotgun 8 out of 10. That was actually a decent shotgun. I'm surprised. With no attachments and everything, that's a decent shotgun. I like that one. I like that one. Alright, now we got the M4 entry. This is definitely an entry shotgun, as you can see from the name. Oh wow. Oh, it's one of these. go. Alright, let's move it. I like to move it. This is definitely heavier. I can feel me slowing down a little bit more. Oh, what the heck? I love semi-automatic shotguns. I just get confused. Oh, my lord, this is already kind of good. Okay. We don't waste ammo. I said. Anybody over there want to show themselves? Oh, snake. Where's my snaky? Yep, not bothering to check that room. Nope. Or I will check this room. Go to that room first. Though. Let me shoot off the hinges. Because I can do that. Because it just opens the door. Boom. I like how it's super easy to reload. Boom. Little boy. Get out of my face. Okay, that was... Ooh. Whoa. 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 Boy. Yeah, you're cooked. I want to back away from the door. I felt like I killed him. Oh, yes, it did. I feel like I got everybody already. This is really, really fast. Nope. Did not get everybody. I'm just gonna randomize the room, see if I missed anybody. One person. I missed the one person over there. Alright, time to go murk him. Oh yeah. Now I'm gonna randomize the rooms again to see if I missed anybody. That's it. Whoa, I missed anybody. 2 people. That's sad. But hey. We waste ammo in this country. Move. The heck, how do I get to him? Oh. Wait. How do I get to him? What the heck? I don't think I can. Yeah, this is just wasting ammo at this point. Should just open it like a normal person. He's over here. I'm gonna break through the back door. Buddy. Now I better not have missed anybody. Missed nobody. Okay, good. Honestly, I like that shotgun, but I'm gonna give it a 7.5. It kind of just feels a little weird, you know? Like, I only read the last one higher was because, you know, it had more power to it. I felt like that didn't have enough power on it. Alright, but it was really easy to reload. I like the reload on that. Ooh, okay. No, this. I like this. Wait. Oh, it's only the 590 now. I thought. Whatever. This is good. Just saying, when I do live lobbies, that will be part 2. You know, this is just ranking. Oh my gosh, this comes. Oh yeah, I'm cooking. Wait, I forgot to add plug in randomized rooms. Here we go. Room number 1, clear. Room number 2. Five. What? Why were they all so close to each other? Why were they all so close to each other? I don't think there's any other people in any other rooms. Just to make sure, I'm gonna look through them, but like, what the? Bruh. I swear, your guns could jam. I think I'm wrong, though. But I think your guns could jam. In one little thing, I feel like your guns could jam. Maybe there's like one. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's kind of scared me. But that was the end of that round, unfortunately. But I'm gonna rate this a 9. A 9.5. This thing, look. This thing built-in laser, already has a flashlight. I bet the other ones had a laser too. It's just a cool feature. And just a little slower, but it's fine. And I sweeped an entire room of like 8 people with 1 mag. Do you know how crazy that is? Alright, well, I kind of need to speed up this because I think I'm running out of time here. Ugh. My little stuffy today. Spaz. I don't like you. I don't like the spaz. It's weird. See, look. You put it through there, obvious. Then you have this. You can't use. And then it's a pump action. What the SIGs? Randomize. Spawn garden enemies. Okay. I don't like this one at all. But it also kind of goated. It's also kind of goated. Just a little. Oh yeah, that's exactly what I shot and it was so delayed. I pressed down the trigger and it was like, don't want to shoot for you today. Alright. Here's a little bonus segment. I'm gonna go just spraying peeps. Let me in. Okay, flock. Don't hurt me. I'm just saying. Let me in. Yeah. You know what? Let's go. I don't care. Let's go. Let me through. Let me in. Oh, you don't want to let me in? Anybody behind this door might want to move. Anticlimactic. Oh my. That hurt. I said anticlimactic much. Oh, weave. I need. Oh. Oh. He just went flying. Michael Myers with a combat knife. Can't open it. I'll find a way in. This is my way in. I can't stab him. I can't stab him. This is unfair. So unfair.